So this is just another video for how to draw trees. I feel like the more tutorials I give like this, the better, so that you kind of see the process. Hopefully you'll be doing these sorts of things on your own as well, but I always feel like it's good just to see how the process works. So once again, we start at the beginning and we've got my, which is functioning as a determiner, right? Because it's substitutable for the. We could just as easily say the cat as my cat. Then we've got a noun. We've got a verb. This is a sentential verb, which is to say that it takes as its complement an entire sentence. We've got a noun phrase here. So this is a pronoun. Pronouns act as noun phrases. They stand in for noun phrases. And then we've got is, and is a fairly broad verb. It can function in a lot of different positions as far as verbs go. It can take a lot of different types of complements. In this case, it's functioning as a transitive verb. It's taking a noun phrase object as its complement. We've got a, which of course is a determiner. And then we've got God, which is a noun. All right, this time I'm going to begin on the right and start creating phrases. So the first phrase we see is the determiner plus noun, which of course is a noun phrase. Then we see that transitive verb, which means we get to join the transitive verb and the noun phrase to create a verb phrase. And then we've got a noun phrase right there, and a noun phrase and a verb phrase together forms a sentence. Well, as we just mentioned, a sentential verb takes as its complement a sentence, giving us a verb phrase. And then at the very beginning, we've got the determiner plus noun creating a noun phrase. And then finally, that just leaves us to combine our noun phrase and our verb phrase to create a sentence.